Okay. Hello everyone. We are Group 10 and you are welcome to our tutorial on mastering text manipulation in Microsoft Word. In this guide, we will walk you through the essential skills of deleting, inserting, moving and selecting text. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial will help you become more efficient and confident in your ability to edit and format text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Without me wasting much time, let me hand it over to my colleague teacher to continue.
Hello guys, my name is Regina Osei and I will be your tutor for today. Our learning objectives for today is that by the end of this lesson, students will be able to 1. Demonstrate how to insert text in Microsoft Word. 2. Demonstrate how to delete text in Microsoft Word. 3. Demonstrate how to move text in Microsoft Word. And demonstrate how to select text in Microsoft Word. So we'll start with the first in our objectives, which is the inserting text. First, before you insert text in Microsoft Word, there are a few rules or simple text steps you have to follow in order to insert text. Step 1, you click to position the cursor. You have to position your cursor at exactly where you want to input the text, whether the beginning of the page or the middle or wherever. It's up to you. You just have to click to position the cursor. Step 2, you type. After you position it, then you start typing whatever you want to type. Then step 3, we have the paste text. The paste text is when you paste text from another source by pressing Ctrl plus V. And by pasting, you can't just go ahead and just paste. It has to be from somewhere. So it's either you copy and paste it or you cut and you paste it. Okay, so by doing so, let's move on to MS Word and practice it for you so that you guys can get what I'm talking about. Okay, now so we are in our MS Word. So let's start.
Okay, I will continue from where my colleague left. I'm also Richmond. I will be taking you through deleting text. In deleting text, we have forms or ways to delete text. One is using the backspace key. 2, using the delete key. 3, you select, then you delete. So these are the 3 main ways in how to delete a text. So without wasting my time, we will therefore move on to the practical sections. So the text has already been generated, and first and foremost, we said we can delete the text using the backspace. So let's assume we want to delete from this place up to that of this place. Okay, so we will therefore place our cursor. We will position our cursor here. Then we press on the backspace. So I'm pressing on the backspace, and I hope you can see the kind of action that it will be taking. So
hello, welcome once again. I'll be continuing from where my colleague just left. Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorials. On this lesson, we will be
okay, I will continue from where my colleague left. I'm also Richmond. I will be taking you through deleting text. In deleting text, we have forms or ways to delete text. One is using the backspace key. 2, using the delete key. 3, you select, then you delete. So these are the three main ways in how to delete a test. So without wasting my time, we will therefore move on to the practical sections. So the test has already been generated, and first and foremost, we said we can delete the test using the backspace. So let's assume we want to delete from this place up to that of this place. Okay, so we will therefore place our cursor, we will position our cursor here, then we press on the backspace. So I'm pressing on the backspace, and I hope you can see the kind of action that it will be taking. So you see, I'm pressing the backspace, so I'm deleting what? The whole sentence. Okay, so up to this part. So that's the first one. So the second one is using the delete key itself. Using the delete key itself. So with the delete key, let's place our cursor or position our cursor here in between the click and the online video, and press the delete key. You see, I'm using the delete key. I'm using the delete key. And with the delete key, it is deleting the text from the right of the cursor. It is deleting the text from the right. I hope you can see. Yeah, that's the second one. And lastly, the third one is you select, then you delete. So I'm going to select the whole paragraph, this paragraph. Then I press on the delete key. You see that? Okay, let me try it first. So I've already selected it. Let me press the delete key. Now you see, it is gone. So I will move on to moving a text. Moving a text. We have so many forms to move a text, and one of the forms you're going to base on drag and drop. I'm going to base on drag and drop. Okay, sorry, I'm going to base on cut and paste rather. Yeah, cut and paste. So first and foremost, in cutting and pasting, you will firstly select the text itself, that is, highlight the text you want to move, and secondly, you cut the text. That means to press the Ctrl plus X or Command plus X, which is the mark. Third, the third step is position the cursor. Place the cursor where you want to move the text to. Then lastly, paste the text. After positioning it, then you paste the text. So let's quickly move on to the practical section. Okay, so already the text has already been generated to us. Don't forget, we are basing on cut and paste. So the steps are, first and foremost, you select the text that you want to cut and paste. So let's assume video Regina. So I want to cut video Regina. So the first step is you select, then you select the text. So first step, I've selected the text. Then the second step is select, cut the text. So how am I going to cut the text? So there is a keyboard shortcut for cutting a text, which is Ctrl plus X. Now you see, yeah, Ctrl plus X. After cutting the text, then I'm going to position my cursor at the exact place that I want. So let's assume I want to paste it here. Yeah, the blank space here. Yeah. So after positioning the cursor, then you paste it there. Then how do we paste it? We paste it with the help of the keyboard shortcut Ctrl V. Now you see, yeah, I've pasted it here. So video Regina is here. Okay, then we are done with the practical. So I will leave it to my colleague to continue from this exact place. See you next week.